Welcome to our channel today, where we will be discussing JEAOUIA sleeping bags. If you are an outdoor enthusiast, you know how important it is to have the right gear. One of the most important pieces of equipment for any outdoor excursion is a quality sleeping bag. JEAOUIA is a well-known brand in the outdoor gear industry, and their sleeping bags are highly regarded for their durability and comfort. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at what makes JEAOUIA sleeping bags stand out from the rest. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Types of JEAOUIA sleeping bags. JEAOUIA offers a variety of sleeping bags to suit different needs and preferences. They have mummy-style sleeping bags which are designed to keep you warm in cold temperatures, as well as rectangular sleeping bags for those who prefer more room to move around. JEAOUIA sleeping bags also come in different sizes and weights, making it easy to find the perfect sleeping bag for your next outdoor adventure. JEAOUIA sleeping bags are made from high-quality materials including 400T nylon and 20D polyester, which are durable and water-resistant. The bags are filled with a combination of down and synthetic insulation, which provides excellent warmth and insulation even in the coldest of temperatures. JEAOUIA sleeping bags are also constructed with attention to detail, with features such as draft collars, double zippers, and hood cinches to ensure maximum warmth and comfort. One of the most important factors to consider when choosing a sleeping bag is its temperature rating. JEAOUIA sleeping bags come in a range of temperature ratings from 0°F to 60°F, so you can choose the right bag for the conditions you will be facing. It is important to note, however, the temperature ratings are not exact, and a variety of factors can affect how warm you feel in your sleeping bag. These factors include your metabolism, what you wear to bed, and the type of sleeping pad you use. Another important consideration when choosing a sleeping bag is its portability. JEAOUIA sleeping bags are designed to be lightweight and easy to pack, making them ideal for backpacking and other outdoor activities. They come with a compression sack that allows you to compress the bag to a small size, making it easy to fit in your backpack or other gear. Overall, JEAOUIA sleeping bags are an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, durable, and comfortable sleeping bag for their outdoor adventures. With a range of sizes, weights, and temperature ratings to choose from, you can find the perfect sleeping bag to meet your needs. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.